The voucher gives a good deal. Certainly is a value buy. Recommended to purchase it if you're ever dining at this place. Redemption is fairly simple too. Food is decent with a variety of options for vegetarian dishes. I decided to try this vegan restaurant and very happy that I did. The Klook offer saved me a few dollars. The prices are reasonable, and the food is delicious. Redemption process is fairly simple, just need to present the voucher upon payment. Food is decent and the voucher gives a great discount. Food taste is good. Atmosphere is good. Food portion is very small to me. A little overpriced. This is a vegetarian shop. Picture just showed a portion of food brought back. Food just served is nice. Overall, I wouldn't recommend if you want to have a value meal. The service was good and food was tasty and enjoyable. The order was delivered quickly. You just have to order above 50 Rm to redeem this voucher. My favorite veggie shop in KL. Have been here multiple times and their food is just superb and delicious. Very clean and good environment. Staff are friendly.